The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Elk County, Pennsylvania, effective until 3:17 p.m. The National Weather Service in State College Park has issued a tornado warning for Central Elk County in north-central Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ridgway, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Johnsonburg and Ridgway around 2:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. St. Mary's around 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.